Hello everyone, welcome back to another Smart Money Sundays. Now, hope you are all having a good morning and a good week in a weekend thus far. But I wanted to get this one out to you guys a little early as next week is the last week of May, so I'm expecting a lot of volatility in the market and hence a lot of big moves to come as well. So let's just get started with DXY as we always do. An apology if I sound a little bit off. Um, I am a bit under the weather, so I'm just trying to get this out to you guys before I get worse. But okay, if you recall from the previous week's video, I did well actually for the past few videos, I highlighted this level, this key level here on DXY, right? Which I was expecting a reaction from, right, to come out and take these highs here, this liquidity here, which I am very much still anticipating. We may see we may see these lows get swiped before we see that initial move, but in essence, that's what I'm anticipating. Come Monday, we may just see a range before that spike into the lows before we start gradually coming into Tuesday, right, which is around here. Price action Tuesday's price action will be here. So that's initially what I'm anticipating, and that's basically because if we go into the economic calendar, Monday is Memorial Day, I believe, for the Americans, which is a US bank holiday. So I'm gonna expect range bound activity at least coming to US trading session, and then I think Tuesday and Wednesday is when things will start pick up, and then Friday is where I'm anticipating the most volatility. Thursday and Friday ideally. So a lot of the moves I'd recommend being patient for. Okay, if you are trading this week, which I do recommend because you do catch a lot of volatile moves, and it is my favorite period to trade in the month. Is usually the latter end of the month, mainly because of the volatility the market can bring. But anyway, so this is the idea I still have in terms of intraday. You guys still know my macro perspective, right? My high time frame target is still 107 before any swing moves down. Okay, but I'm still anticipating a bullish move to come onto DXY to at least clear 106. Nothing has changed in that regard. But Monday range, maybe one more swipe of the lows, retest this level of 104.3 before we see that actual move come in. Hopefully we do see this week. Now let's move over to EURUSD. Now, right, if you recall, I was anticipating a reaction from this key level, right, which we have gotten. I am in swing shorts actually still from 108 5, this level here, right? But right now, if I just illustrate it like this, let me go on the lower time frames. Right, I'm still anticipating a push down. Right, I'm still anticipating that push down, but we do have this liquidity here. So again, similar idea with the DXY, a push up potentially, maybe swipe out this high, right, before a reclaim of this range. And ideally, this is what I'd like to see. If it does take the high, wait for a reclaim of this range and then look to short. Okay, confirmation of once this low is taken, it'll be confirmation of the swing move for price to carry on pushing down lower. But that's basically the idea I do have for EU. Okay, this is all technically liquidity, so we may not come out and take that complete high. That is a scenario, but we'll likely come out and swipe out 108 again. And I want to see a rejection from this level come into Monday or Tuesday London, and then Tuesday New York, or Wednesday morning London. Sorry, I'd look to short this back down. Okay, again, swing target is 106.5, right? Similar idea. Okay, ideally you want to wait for this liquidity level to get taken, okay, and then wait for rejection from this level to then start looking for confirmations, to then start looking to short again, based on how you like to trade. But this is the idea I do have for EU, and I'm still holding my swings from this key level here. Okay, so I'll leave that drawing here just so you guys can see from we can catch up on it on the next video. Now let's move over to BTC. Now BTC has started to move finally. Okay. Again, I've been illustrating this for the past God knows how long. For the past for the past 2 months, I've I highlighted this, this power of three movement we had, right? Consolidation, manipulation, and then now we're in the expansion phase. So I'm only looking for continuation trades, bullish continuation trades on BTC to come for price to start trading up into price discovery. And I've mentioned this before, when price is eventually in price discovery, when we break above this 75k key level, price can just keep going higher and higher. So you ideally want to be waiting for smaller pullbacks and just trading with the trend. Easy to do, okay? No matter how high price can go, wait for those lower time frame flushes and trade with the trend. You'll make a lot more money that way. So in terms of the lower time frame, sorry, my voice is giving in. I'm gonna try and make this video short. Um, In terms of the lower time frame, I am looking for a retest of this level at 67.6k. Again, Monday is Memorial Day on Monday, so again expecting low volume. But I'm gonna anticipate some sort of quick flush retest of this 67.5k level. Enter longs at here, okay. Invalidation obviously below this low, and then look for price to come out and take out this high at 71k, and then come to target new highs at 75k is my initial TP, and then leave a runner, as again when you're in price discovery, price can just keep on trading higher. Okay, so that is basically a BTC. Now Ethereum, hope you guys did catch Ethereum. Ethereum was a big trade for me. I've been highlighting it for the past 2-3 weeks. Okay. If you guys recall, right, I did say, I think 2-3 videos ago, I recommend you go check it for yourself. My memory may not be the best, but I did say these lows were going to get swiped. They did. Then we saw a reclaim of that level and then a retest of that level. I was maybe anticipating one more squeeze low of this low, but we didn't get it. Instead, we got a reclaim of the range, and once we did, just like I outlined a couple of weeks ago, I recommend longing, which I did. As soon as price reclaimed that level, I did take a long from around the 3k level. Okay, and then again, my target is the 4,100, the weekly high, and then my main swing target is obviously 4,800, which is all-time high, which happened quite quickly, to be fair, mainly because of pricing of the ETF, Ethereum ETF that was announced previous week. We did get this move earlier in the week, which was a 30% move. I'm still in this position. I've taken about shaved 30% off the volume, take some profits, but I'm still very much in this play and looking for all-time high. So essentially, what I want to see is again range bound activity here. Okay, if we see a retest of 3,600, or maybe even a push back down into 35, I will be looking to scale into some more longs. And if we see a reclaim again, I'll be looking for confirmation to take another scale into more longs effectively, mainly trading with the trend. But I want to see manipulation first. Ideally, swipe of the low at 3,500, then a reclaim, long on the reclaim after confirmation, and then swing it into all-time high. That will be the smartest play for Ethereum or whichever altcoins you are trading. Sorry, my voice is terrible. Again, if you guys seeking value for this, please do like and subscribe. I'm trying to, I'm trying to give as much value as I can to you guys, even when I'm going through some pain right now. But nonetheless, right. Gold. I have not traded gold. I was expecting gold to come back to my key level of 2,200. Didn't get it. Essentially, what price ended up doing, this was the key level that price retested, right, and then went to new all-time highs. So this level didn't end up getting it, missing it, which is fine. It happens. So in a sense of what I'm looking now, again, we're still in price discovery on gold, right? We just broke new all-time highs again, and price is likely to put on a new all-time high very soon. So essentially, what I want to see now on gold is this level hold, right? I want to see confirmations from this level, right? Price push into $2,300 level, and then just give us some sort of good bounce. Upon confirmation, I will look for potential longs to target new all-time high. This is a very, very easy and simple play because all we're doing is trading with the trend. This was a low that made a new high. This is why this low is very important. If this low is respected and gives confirmation, whichever confirmation you like to use, I'm not going to get into the protocols that I use, mainly because I teach that solely to mentorship students. But whichever protocol you do use, right, use it on this level. And once you get your confirmation, if you get your confirmation, it's a very easy long into new all-time highs, okay? Which I am going to anticipate to see this week, as long as this level holds. If not, then we'll likely come back into the $2,200 level, where I'll be looking for longs again. But I don't see that happening. I believe this level will hold, but time will tell when we come into Monday, most likely Tuesday, Wednesday. But if you guys did seek some value, please do do all the good stuff. And if you guys are interested in any of my services, links are all down in the description below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.